Hi guys, and welcome to Things Around Productions. Today, I'm going to show you how to cut out an image in Gimp 2.10. The first thing we want to do is go up to Layer, Transparency, Add Alpha Channel. This is going to be what gives us the clear background once we cut out our image. Next, we take our Free Select tool and outline where we want to make our cut. For more detail on our image, we can zoom in using the controls on the bottom of the screen, or by holding Control and using the scroll wheel on your mouse. To outline our image, we left-click around it, or as an alternative, you can hold the left mouse button down and just draw where you want it to cut. Either way, the more effort you put in here, the better the final product will look. If you make a mistake, pressing the backspace key will undo your last move. Once we have our image outlined, we can zoom out. Double-click inside the image using the left mouse button. You should now see a black and white border around the image. Now we go up to Select, Invert, and then we press Delete on our keyboard. Then we click Select, and then None, and there's our image. To keep the clear background, we must now save this file as a PNG or PNG file. For that, we go to File, Export As. Then we name our file, select the folder, and then under Select File Type, we scroll down until we find PNG. Click Export, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you at all, why not click the like button. See you next time.